It's Birchwood Hollow, and I just endured, like, a blizzard. God dang it. Sorry, snow is falling off the car, making mush, and ugh. Anyways, look at this. Yesterday, it was all sunshine and grass. I could see the grass. Now I can't see one leaf. Or blade, or whatever. My dog's already been out here, so... But, this is my entire backyard. Jeez. I mean, look at all the snow. Here, hold on. Look at that. That's on top of my fence. All the way down. Jeez. Can't believe it. Man, it is still snowing. You may not be able to see it, but it is still snowing. And I don't know about you, but this is like, what, a foot? Whoa. That's kind of slippery. Hey, look, grass. I would put my hand in there, but you know what? I will. Okay, ready? My hand is about, I don't know, 5 inches? You know what? I have a better idea instead of freezing my hand. There's a pole over here. It's about 2 feet tall. Right here. You can see where the snow hit it. Oh man, this is just epic. I know this seems lame to you guys right now, but I am so surprised. Oh my god. This is the back of our house. I can't even tell what's over there. A wheelbarrow? Some kind of a mesh? Something? Gosh. And then look at this. Ready? Oh no, gone. That wind is really scary. I mean, like, legit. And then look at my neighbor's fence. It's about 5 inches top of their fence. Okay, here's my hand. You guys can't see it, I'm sorry, but it's about as big as my hand. You know what, this might be worse right here. No, it just arches. Oh, shit. Sorry for my language.